You're too funny. You're too funny. Say morning.
Morning, guys.
You're
It's
looking hot.
Friday.
You are
I'm going to go take
no.
a
You're not
bus.
looking hot with that, but you're looking hot like this.
I'm hot because I protect myself. Bye. See you guys soon.
Bye. See you guys soon.
Love you too.
Hello. Good morning.
All right. Head to your room.
Hello.
They hear you. Hi, Faves. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Babe heading off to work. I am heading off to work also, and Sarah is over there in our playpen. So I'm gonna leave you guys real quick and get my workout in before Sarah mood changes. So I'll catch you guys in a bit with a nice intro. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And make sure you guys get your workout in. I'll be back real quick. You guys, workout was so good this morning. Got a crazy workout in, and then I danced into it to finish strong, finish really good. Then I had breakfast, and now having a kiwi just to finish up breakfast. Sarah's taking a nap. Tyler's around here eating candy, and my house feels really heavy, which means I need to go and clean. So I'm gonna start off with the hardest, which is the bathroom. When I say the hardest, meaning I don't have to have Sarah around me. It's the hardest one to do when Sarah is awake. So I'm gonna go and get the bathroom washer right now. While I'm cleaning, look at these two. I can't leave Sarah anywhere else other than in her playpen when I'm not around here. Look at her. She's excited watching Tyler perform for her. She's into it. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Sarah, call him. Tyler. Tyler, call Tyler. I'm so tired. I'm feeling every muscle as if I'm working out. You guys, I've been getting so much done. I'm dusting and cleaning from top to bottom, from room to room. I finished the kids' room, our room, the toilet, the bathroom, the kitchen. So I only have the living room and the eating area remain. I even did laundry between that and got them out in the sun to dry, and put Sarah down for afternoon nap. Yes, it's early afternoon. It's like 20 minutes, 25 minutes before 3, and I am just going to eat lunch right now. Can you imagine? I'm just going to eat lunch. I'm very, very hungry, so I'm about to whip up something really small and fast. Look what I'm eating. A bowl of cereal. I couldn't tell the last time I had cereal like this in forever. But since I need to hurry up and eat something and go back to what I'm doing, that's what it is for today, honey child. I think I'm done for today. When I tell you I cleaned this house from top to bottom, I mean from top to bottom. It is now 20 minutes after 4 p.m. and I'm finally done. I couldn't tell the last time I really dusted like this, and I got it done. I was so in the element and therapying my brain. I didn't even realize that most of the time the camera wasn't on. Sarah should be awake from her nap right now. Whenever that girl awake from her nap, it doesn't really matter. It's in the morning, it's in the afternoon, it doesn't really matter. If I don't look on the camera and see that she awake, she don't make a sound. She just get up and sit up in her bed, just like that. Anyway, I'm gonna check on her. But as you guys can see, clean. I even dust out Sarah's bed and dust out all her dolls and stuffed toys and everything that's out there. Tala is here watching Sarah's tablet. The kitchen is clean. Sarah got ready and waiting. Floor is all wiped. I need to organize these shoes under here. One done. All dusted. Here's all dusted. Bathroom is all clean. Tyler room is all clean. He went back and was playing in his room. But yeah, that's what it's for, to play, huh? Anyway, I'm gonna see if Sarah is awake. Let's check on her camera first before going to her room. Nope. She is still sleeping, so I'm not gonna bother her. I'm gonna let her sleep. I'm gonna figure out what to cook for dinner, but I'm almost sure that we are eating out today because I'm so tired.
Mama,
I don't think I'm gonna cook.
Mama,
Yes, Dad?
for dinner, can I have pasta?
You want pasta for dinner? Let's see. Okay?
Pasta and ham?
Pasta and ham? Let's see. Okay? Let's turn off the camera. Sarah is awake. Hello. Hello, hello. Hi. Hello. You had a good nap? Princess, you had a good nap? That was a long nap, all of 2 hours. That was a long nap. You ready to go for butter? Butter? You ready for butter? Yeah? Let's go get butter. Ready? Come on. Let's take out the blanket first. Come. Up. Oh, yeah. That was a long nap. You did a long, long nap. Ready for butter?
Kiki! 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 I'm watching your tablet.
Ready for your bottle? Brother says watching your tablet. I'm breathing and looking at these kids. 'Cause I ain't cooking. I have no energy left. None. I put something on the wall that Sarah now liked. This was Tyler's own. I got this in Jamaica on Tyler's first visit to Jamaica.
Oh, that's
And this
what
is
you
how
want.
Tyler loved counting. So now it belonged to Missy. Look at her. She loved the little spots.
She loves the alphabet.
Show Mama A. Sarah, show Mama A. Tyler, can you give her a break? Sarah, show Mama A. A. Touch A. Touch A.
Touch it when
A. Touch A. A. B. C. D. Look at her. A. A.
She say, E.
A.
Mama start off with E betting friend.
A. A. Touch A, Sarah. A. A for apple. Yeah, A. A. Her new favorite spot. She's. Hey, no, don't put your mouth on it. Don't put your mouth on it. It's not food.
No, it's not food.
Is this you want?
I don't know, I'm just reading.
This one's right and cooker.
Ça je vais vous prendre un menu enfant,
Un menu enfant, oui.
ouais, avec des nuggets de poulet,
Steakhouse.
un menu steakhouse.
Bottom.
Attends,
That's a steak.
That's it. Et avec ça, je vais vous prendre un menu triple cheese bacon.
You choose the menu for me, right?
Yes.
Oui.
Un triple cheese bacon, frites et coca. En moyen.
Hey, you want fries?
You
Yeah,
want
and
ice cream?
No.
Je vais vous prendre un King Fusion Snickers.
Non, 23,70 prochain guichet, s'il vous plaît.
You guys, we jump in the car and it's a Burger King because I decided I'm not gonna cook and I'm hungry. So, everybody's just here in their home clothes. Who cares though? Drive through life. You ready for fries, Sarah? You want fries? You throw away your pussy.
She's getting ready.
You throw away your pussy? She's yes.
Because you're done
Fries.
here.
You want fries? Straight away. You want fries? Why? Say hello, honey. They can't even see you, look like a ghost. Can tell her peeking through the mirror. And Sarah's around there talking. Why you spanking me? I'm gonna have a steakhouse which I haven't had in.
How old are you?
I look like 12.
Yeah.
Well, I have gray hair, so look, you know the gray hair. Yeah, 12-year-old gray hair hairstyle.
This hair here is yellow.
What here is yellow?
Yours
Is white. Here? Here?
is at the top of
At the top of my head? Well, I'm seeing white. I don't know what yellow you're seeing.
yellow.
Come on, woman. I think I haven't had a steakhouse since I was pregnant with Sarah. It's good to indulge a little bit from all the hard work that you do in the week. At least one day. And then tomorrow I'll go back to my rabbit ways.
Rabbit wing?
No? Okay, let's see what they're gonna leave out of the bag, because they always be leaving something. But I like when you come to the drive-thru, you take this long to get through. You know why? You know that your food is fresh. Fries will be hot.
At this time
Sandwich
is
will
always
just be made.
they don't do in advance at this time.
It's only if you come later, like 8.
Yeah, like regular time when, for example, you ask for
We never
one
come during
steakhouse, there's no
regular
steakhouse, then they're gonna do like 2, 3. So for the next, it will be ready. So when it's that this time, they don't do it because maybe in 1 hour nobody will ask the same things. And
Sarah!
we just do it by heart.
Boing, 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 Tyler, take time. They're taking forever though. Yeah, baby. When I take the bus in the mask, I can't breathe. Jesus Christ.
Don't like it.
And I take down the mask yesterday just to breathe a bit. Here the driver, madam, your
Really?
mask please. Yes.
So
I couldn't breathe. Christ.
And every time when I have
It's
my
so hot.
mask, I come to breathe.
worse yours than mine. I mean, tissue is making
More
more
breathable.
hot.
Oh,
No, it feels more hot.
more hot. I feel like I'm gonna have a heat stroke.
What you see from
I bought 2 things. One thing for you and one for me. My own
For me?
thing. There's no for me.
from me? What you got from me?
A shirt.
Oh, you have something else than mask. Hey, what up, children?
Don't move in. No, no. Do not move. Tyler's nuggets. Your ice cream. Free juice.
Sandwich.
No, no one. Oh, 2 sandwich, 2 fries. What else? Where's his toy? Okay.
Every night.
Wait. Yes, it's all there. Pretty face, where are you going? Where are you going, pretty face? Pretty face. Pretty face. You want to touch them? Touch. Say hello. I'm touching you guys today. I'm just here chilling in Sarah's room as it's her bedtime in 5 minutes. While she and Tyler plays a bit before bed. I'm so tired. Tonight is definitely a chill night. Baby's chilling. I'm chilling. I'm eating that burger just now. Oh, didn't do any good for me. Just make me more tired.